Hello children, let's see the concept of multiple. What does it mean by multiple of a number? A multiple of a number is that number multiplied by any integer, and multiples of a number are infinite. Here you can see the numbers up to 100 are given, and we are going to find out multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay. Now we want say multiples of 2. That means oral how can you do it? Multiply 2 with 1, multiply 2 with 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 20s are 20. It doesn't mean that after 20 it stops. No. When you multiply 2 into 11, you are still getting 2 11s are 22 and so on. As the numbers are infinite, multiples of a numbers are also infinite. Now I am going to find out multiples of 2 through the activity. Here you can see few of the numbers are covered and few are left out. The numbers which you can read out are multiples of 2. You can see that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on up to 100 you are being given. Okay, they are all multiples of 2. I want to find out multiples of 3. So above this base grid I have placed one more grid, and the numbers which you can read out are all multiples of 3. You can see there 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. Okay, and last multiple of 3 less than 100 is 99. Okay, I want to find out now multiples of 4. So here one more grid I am placing over that, and you can see the numbers which you can find out are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96 and 100. Okay, they are all multiples of 4. Now I want to find out multiples of 5. So here I will place one more grid above that, and you can see the numbers which are left out, they are all multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 and so on. Now we will find out multiples of 6. So I have placed one more grid above that base. So here you can see the numbers 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90 and 96. They are all multiples of 6. Now we will find out multiples of 7. So multiples of 7, you can find out 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91 and 98. These are all multiples up to 100 only. Please remember that. Now we will find out multiples of 8. So here you can see multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88 and 96. They are all multiples of 8 less than 100. Now we will find out multiples of 9, and here you can read out the numbers 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. Okay, now we will see all multiples of 10. So here you can see all multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Find the common multiples of 2 and 3 and also find their LCM. We are going to do this question using the activity. Now how to do it? Here you can see the baseboard, and I have covered this baseboard with few numbers, and the numbers left out when you read, they are all multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 you can read out as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Yes, okay, they are all multiples of 2. Now I want to find out multiples of 3. So now multiples of 3 I will find out using the grid, and here you can see the numbers which are uncovered are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. They are all multiples of 3. Now I want to find out which are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So now I will find out common multiples of 2 by 3 using the activity. The first grid where multiples of 2 were given, I will cover with multiples of 3, and the left out the numbers which you can read is they are 6 common multiples of 2 and 3. They are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. These were the common multiples of 2 and 3. Out of these numbers, which is the smallest, that is, which is the least common multiple, that is 6. So 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Now read the next question. Find common multiples of 4 and 5. Also find their LCM. So now I will find out first of all which are the multiples of 4. So here you can read out the numbers as 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. They are all multiples of 4. Okay. Now I will find out which are the multiples of 5. So multiples of 5, when you see here, you can find out and write the numbers as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Now I will find out which are the common multiples of 4 and 5. So now I will place both the grids one on top of the other. One on top of the other, and the numbers which you can read out are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and so on. These are the common multiples, and out of these common multiples which is the least common multiple? 20. That is the first common multiple. So least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Now let's find out common multiples of 5 and 6 and find their LCM also. So first of all we will find out multiples of 5. So here you can see the numbers which are multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Multiples of 6, you can see here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Now I will place both the grids one on top of the other. And the numbers which you can read out are, here you can see 30, 60, 90 and so on. So here these are the common multiples of 5 and 6, 30, 60, 90 and so on. Out of that, which is the smallest? 30, which is the first common multiple. So least common multiple is 30.